Hey there. So you got a brand new smart TV and you're dying to get Netflix up and running? Awesome. In this super quick explainer, we're going to walk through how to sign into your Netflix account on your TV. It's really simple. Let's get right to it. Okay, so picture this. The snacks are ready, the lights are dimmed. You are so ready for movie night. There's just one tiny little thing we got to do first to get you to your next binge watch. And don't worry, I promise this is going to be totally painless. Seriously. We'll have you scrolling through what to watch in just a minute or two.
All right, first things first. Go ahead and grab your TV remote. We're going to start right there on the television screen. That's where all the action begins.
Okay, so find that big red Netflix app on your smart TV. And by the way, it really doesn't matter what kind of TV you have. An Android TV, a Samsung, an LG, the process is pretty much the exact same. So once you open it up, you're going to look for the sign-in button. It's usually hanging out on the left side of the screen. Just use your remote to move over to it and click it. All right, now here's where you get to kind of choose your own adventure. Netflix actually gives you two super simple ways to get signed in. So on one hand, you've got the phone method. This uses a QR code, and honestly, it is crazy fast. On the other hand, you've got the good old-fashioned remote control method, where you type everything in. We're going to cover both, but let's start with the fastest one first. Okay, so let's dive into method one, the QR code. If you have your smartphone with you, this is for sure the easiest way to go. It's a real time saver. Just pull out your phone and open up your regular camera app. Yep, nothing special needed. Now, point it at that black and white square thing on your TV screen. That's the QR code. You should see a little link pop up on your phone screen almost right away. Go ahead and give that link a tap. Now, this next part is really important, but it's super quick. It's just a little security check. Your phone is going to show a code, and your TV will show a code. Just take a half second to make sure they're the same. Do the codes match? Perfect. Once you see that the codes are a match, just tap that big Sign In to TV button on your phone. After you do that, you can hit Dismiss, and boom, look at your TV. The magic should be happening right now. All right, now for option number two. Maybe your phone's in the other room, or hey, maybe you just like doing things the classic way. No problem at all. Using the remote works just as well. So, back on your TV screen, you're going to select the option that says something like Use Remote. This will pop up a keyboard on your screen. Now, you just have to carefully type in the email address you use for your Netflix account. Once that's in, find the next button and select it. And for the very last step, you guessed it, your password. I know it can be a little annoying with the remote, so just take your time, get it right, and then select Next one last time. You're almost there. And that is it. Seriously, whichever way you chose to do it, the result is exactly the same. Your Netflix account is now officially linked to your TV. You should be looking at that beautiful, familiar Netflix home screen right about now. You're in success. So we got through the easy part, right? Now comes the actual hard part. What on earth are you going to watch first? You've got thousands of choices. Well, I'll leave you to it. Good luck and enjoy your movie night.